What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? What's happening? Just want to jump on live. Today's Friday, August the 20th. Gonna just do a little market review. I was actually got a video that's going to be coming out. I don't know if I'm going to put it out later today or tomorrow, but it's going to be a good one, right? It's going to be something different than I've ever done before. So hopefully you guys like it. All right, everybody. So, hey, really quick, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Jeff. I've been trading for 15 years and super glad you're here. Hey, do me a favor. If you are not subscribed to the channel, hey, think about subscribing to the channel. And if you do subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell to be notified whenever I shoot a brand new video. And hey, make a comment. Let me know who's here. Let me know who's here. Let's share the screen. All right, let me just make sure that we are live really quickly. Let's go to the channel. You never know if we're live, so let me just make sure really quickly. I think we are, right? Boom, boom, boom. All right. Oop, that's something that's coming out. All right, let's jump into it. All right, so let's just go through the indexes really quickly, see what happened and what didn't happen. Actually, today was pretty interesting. All right, so here we go. Boom. All right, so let me get we'll get my drawing items. IWM, Russell 2000, right? Up 1.69%. Is sitting right here at that 200 simple moving average. So you guys know I like to use the 200 simple moving average. It's one of my favorite support levels for institutional play. So it was up today, pretty decent. Qs were up. I like the Qs. Qs are in a beautiful orange squeeze, right? High compression squeeze, beautiful uptrend, nice squeeze. I mean, there you go right there, guys. Technology sector, you're probably going to find a lot of opportunities. What's up, Eric? What's up, my man? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, you're probably going to find a lot of opportunities inside of the technology sector. Hey, thanks for being here, brother. Thanks for being here. But we are in a tight squeeze. S&P 500, it's in a black squeeze, right? So today, just looking at the market, we did bounce today. You know, I was telling everybody today in my class that, you know, hey, well, we've been talking about this over the last several days, that the market is pulling back, right, into a beautiful bull flag. So it's one of the patterns that I talk about extensively in my class is this pattern right here, right? That beautiful uptrend, pulling back. Right here, pull back into the 34. Everybody was, you know, people were panicking. I turned on the news. People were panicking. What's up? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Yeah, everybody was panicking. And I told my students, I'm like, look, the trend is up. This is a beautiful flag. Your opportunity is right here. I think I did a live on this day when it was pulling back on an ugly day. And I was telling everybody that you better be prepared because this is your opportunity, right? When the market gives you an opportunity, that's when you really need to take advantage. And I don't really care what setup you're trading. You could be trading the squeeze, right? You could be trading the flag. You could be doing, you know, calls and bull put spreads. It doesn't matter. But today, look at this bounce. Today, if you would have started, again, let's backtrack for a minute. If you, and when you see my head go like this, is because I see I'm trying to look at the chat on the other screen. So I'm kind of looking at that. But when the market bounces, you've already got to be locked and loaded. See, when the market is pulling back, that is the time that you need to get aggressive, right? Get aggressive. And you knew the market was coming back into a major support level. And look, if I go to the 1 hour chart, look at this, right? In that period, you see how it was coming down into the 200? This is what I talk about all the time. This is my 1 hour reversal trade. That bull flag on the daily, pulling back into the 200, boom. Now, we didn't have a cluster dot down here, but the setup nonetheless was money, money, money. Ain't that right, Eric? Eric knows. What's up, Eric? Hopefully you had a good day today. Everybody else. All right. Here we go. So the diamonds. Hey, the diamonds are in a black squeeze, right? So beautiful uptrend, consolidating, low compression squeeze. I like it. And we're going to take a look at some charts here in a minute. Don't worry, that I'm looking at. I just kind of wanted to recap the indexes. Bonds are up 0.07. Gold basically flat today. Now we had three. I have a watch list of the indexes. So silver was down. Silver's been taking a beating. I mean, look at that nasty downtrend. Stacked EMAs to the downside. You got that ready, aim, fire arrow to the downside. Now, you do have a cluster dot, and a cluster dot's telling us that the downtrend is starting to exhaust. We don't have an aim yet over here, but I like the cluster dot. It's a really good indication. Now, I'm not going to just go jump into this trade, but you guys can wait for, maybe some type of double bottom, reversal pattern, maybe take that pullback, look to see if this green can leave the zone, see if we can shift momentum. So if you trade silver, and I don't know if you trade silver or not, but if you trade silver, just be on the lookout for a possible reversal. All right, USO. USO is working down here to the 200. It's one of the major institutional areas. You've got a cluster dot. Okay, cluster dot down here. So it's setting up. Oil's setting up. So if you go look at the energy sector, let's go take a look at the energy sector, see where it's at. Right there. Now, the squeeze just fired to the downside, but we got a couple conflicting messages, right? You got a cluster dot. So, I mean, this fire, it could drop down into maybe this level right here. Let's go see if we see any support levels. Look at that right there. Kind of got a big support level right here. So it might fake people out, come down in this level. Boom, that cluster dot plays out and it's golden. So the VIX was down today. That's good. When the market's up, we want to see the VIX down. You got the Aussie JPY, right? The Aussie JPY was flat. Okay, so we've got a nice little hammer. This could be a possible morning star, right? A very powerful reversal pattern down there in the Aussie JPY. The squeeze did fire, but we got quadruple cluster dots. So, a lot of people might take it to the downside, but what I would say is just be mindful that this cluster dot could be telling us, hey, this downward pressure's over, and we'd like to see this Aussie reverse, right? We'd like to see this Aussie reverse. That would be good for the market. All right, let's go ahead and throw out a couple setups here that I like. So for you guys, DFS. I'll give you a couple. These are my 1 hour reversal trade setups. All right. So what we got is we got a beautiful bull flag on the daily right here at the 200. We got a triple cluster dot. We got the momentum increasing. Love DFS 1 hour reversal trade. Okay. DFS. Let me see. Let me throw out a couple at you. Visa. So what I like about Visa is on the weekly, it's pulling back into the 34. So now I'm looking at the daily. I'm looking for that daily reversal trade. So it's coming down into the 100. We got the shift in momentum on a Squeeze Pro. We have a cluster dot. We have what's known as a bullish divergence on the near-term momentum. Okay, so I like this one. And if you're going to take a shot, it could fall down to the 200. So basically, it's kind of like you can layer in, right? Layer in at the 100. If it falls down to the 200, boom, you can jump back in. So you're good to go. I like that one. So write that down. Visa. What else do we got? Let's go to KO. So this one is a daily squeeze. Let me back out a little bit. I like to just give you guys a couple. Coca-Cola, right? I love this squeeze setup. me kind of get it where you guys can see it. Eric, what's up? What's up, my man? What's up? All right. So we got a beautiful squeeze right here, right? So the trend is up, consolidating. We have a yellow thrust bar. So it's getting ready. It's getting ready. The blue line, which is the short-term momentum, just crossed the 50. Okay, just crossed the 50. So what we're doing is we're putting all the pieces in order, right? Uptrend, beautiful squeeze. The momentum on the blue line shifting above the 50, and it's in the buy zone. So if you're going to take a shot, Coca-Cola is a good one. ECL. I like this squeeze, and I'll give you one more after this. ECL. Who else is here? Let me know who's here, guys. So ECL, Eco Labs. Love this. I love when it comes, you got a high, it pulls all the way down. So it's a multi, month downtrend. The blue slices back through the 50, and then it finds a bottom, and then right here it consolidates. This is my, well, I call it the beak squeeze, but it's really the flag squeeze. So I love this squeeze setup. And look, guys, we got a orange dot. So we're in a high compression squeeze. We have an arrow on the ready and fire. The momentum shifted back up on the Market Forecast Pro. So it's great. Now, it's a little high. Maybe let it come back down in this area. You should have picked it up right here. A couple days ago, we talked about this. You should have picked it up right there. You'd be up at least 50 to 60% on an option, at least. So let's go one more nice squeeze. How about Google? Google. All right. So Google. Absolutely love it. Beautiful uptrend. We have a 4-dot squeeze. We got an arrow. Momentum shifted. This is great, right? So what's the trend? Up. Beautiful squeeze. It's a little high. So what we want to do is wait for it to come back a little. So that was Google. I'm looking at my charts. Google. We had, God, I can't remember. DFS, I think, a couple 1-dot. Just go back and watch the recording when it's available. So we had a couple 1-dot squeeze setups. Not 1-dot squeeze, 1-dot or 1 hour reversal, my bad. So we had a couple 1 hour reversal setups. I think I gave you one daily reversal setup. A couple beautiful 52-week high squeeze setups. All those are money. But again, we talked about this the other day. Okay, if you didn't see the live, hey, do me a favor. I'm going to try to start going live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday around this time, maybe a little bit earlier. I got to take my kid to school next week, so I'm going to be able to map it out. But I want to start going live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and start doing this review. But we talked a couple of days ago. So if y'all were here and listening, we talked when the market was coming down. I said specifically, this is your opportunity. This is your opportunity. And if you took advantage of it, you have this nice momentum shift. You're probably up pretty big on those trades that we talked about. So anyway, that's what I got. Hey, thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. If you're watching live, let me know live. You're watching a replay, hashtag replay, make a comment. Hey, if you're new to the channel, do me a favor. If you like it, subscribe. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I'm going to post a video tonight or tomorrow, but I got a pretty good one coming out. It's going to be different. I think you guys will like it. So make sure you hit that little bell to be notified whenever I shoot a brand new video. If you want any information on the courses that I offer, in the description below, you'll see it. Plus, if you want to get your hands on the Squeeze Pro Ready Aim Fire, this one, I'm not sure if I'm going to make available. I'm the only one that has it. But Squeeze Pro Ready Aim Fire, the links are down below to get it through Simpler Trading. If you get it through my link, I'm going to hook you up with a bunch of bonuses that you're not going to get if you just go buy through Simpler Trading. So, you guys, I said, J-Man? Hang on, let me move this over here. What's up? Hang on, J-Man. What's up? I don't know if you're still here. I didn't even see you. Hang on. Let me bring this over. I got to bring the screen over here. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, make sure you go back and watch this recording when I'm done. Some good stuff. Some good stuff. Hey, really appreciate you guys. And again, I'm going to post a video. It's going to be pretty cool, I think. Let me have y'all's opinion on it. But Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're going live. Next week, I'll probably go live and let you join one of my live classes too. It's an hour-long class. That way you can see what we do in the live coaching. All right, everybody? So let's just kind of jump back off the screen. You guys have an incredible weekend. Be on the lookout for my new video. Hopefully you found value. If you found value in this, hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Spread the word, right? Spread the word. I appreciate the love. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon. Eric, my man. Jay, interesting day. Yeah, interesting day, right? You know, beautiful day, though. I mean, it was up 35 points. It bounced. I mean, this is what I was telling my students all day. Actually, I've been telling them for 2 days. This is a beautiful flag. Today, the momentum followed through. We're probably going to work our way up to the resistance, 44.7. Hey, we got a couple days of opportunity, but we are in a squeeze. So it might just consolidate. Just be mindful. We may not break to a new high. We might start chopping around. We might start chopping. So right now, what I'm doing is a lot of vertical spreads. When the market's in a squeeze, I like to put on a lot of bull put spreads when it's in an uptrend. Okay, because if it's going to consolidate, take advantage of the consolidation. I'm not really buying a bunch of call options right now, because if the market just chops around, you're going to get eaten up. But this is stuff that I teach my students in my school. We go really in depth in the live coaching about what strategies to place when the market is this. What strategies to place when the market is this, in depth. Okay, so if that's something that might interest you, check down below. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. Bless you all. Hey, made money, right? That's what it's about, J-Man. Make us some money. Hey, spread the word so we can all make some money. Peace out.